Lesson 22, Percentile. Example 3. Find the 50th percentile for GPAs in the Sierra College Elementary Statistics Student Survey and interpret the result. Well, we're asked to find the 50th percentile. Here, the 50th percentile is given, so K is 50, and we're asked to find the corresponding x sub I data value, or GPA, corresponding to the 50th percentile. So the type of problem we're given is, given this K of 50%, find the x sub I, the GPA data value corresponding to that. To do this, we need to calculate the L, the number of data values that need to be less than that particular data value. This is done by taking K, divide by the 100% times N, where K is the 50th percentile in this example, and N is the 44 total number of students in the Sierra College Elementary Statistics Student Survey. Plugging these values into the formula and using the TI-84 calculator, we can get the result for L. So 50 divided by 100 times 44, enter, equals 22. So L equals 22. Well, since L equals 22 is a whole number, the value of the 50th percentile in this example is given by the midpoint between the 22nd GPA and the next larger, the 23rd GPA, in the sorted list of data. To find the 22nd and 23rd GPA in the sorted list of data, we press Stat, Enter, and then using the down arrow under List 1, we go down until we reach the 22nd and the 23rd data value in the sorted list of data. The 22nd GPA in the sorted list of data is 3.2. The 23rd GPA in the sorted list of data is 3.3. So now we could find the midpoint of the 3.2 and the 3.3 GPA. To do this, we just add 3.2 and 3.3 and then divide that sum in half. The resulting midpoint between a GPA of 3.2 and 3.3 is a GPA of 3.25. Thus, we have found the 50th percentile. P50 is a GPA of 3.25. Now that we've found the 50th percentile, we then need to use words to interpret the result. To interpret the result, we just use words of the problem to explain or give meaning to this result. Thus, 50% of the students in the Sierra College Elementary Statistics Student Survey had a GPA less than 3.25. By the way, the 50th percentile is the median. So if we recognize that, we could have just used the TI-84 calculator as one of our stat command to calculate the median for us. Now to calculate the median for this list, we would press Stat, right arrow to calculate, press Enter, and then second one to bring up list 1, Enter, and the median is found at the bottom of the page by pressing down arrow, and we can see that the median equals 3.25, which is exactly the same result that we got when we calculated this result ourselves. Also note that the calculator gives Q1, which is the first quartile, and Q3, which is the third quartile. These are the only three percentiles that the TI-84 calculator calculates for us. That is Q1, the 25th percentile, Q3, the 75th percentile, and the median, which is the 50th percentile. All other percentiles need to be calculated yourself by hand.